What is cracking, everybody? Today is Wednesday, hump day, April 28th, 2021. We are in the field, injured, but in the field. It's getting better. Just wrapped it up yet last night, and it's feeling pretty good actually for a big ass puncture from a cat tooth. Feels better. Anyway, we're gonna try to do what we can today out here in the field. We're gonna do some, my little board fell down. It tells me what I gotta do. We're gonna do some sprints, jogs, whatever, up and back, med ball slams. We got the med ball, sled Zig Zag Drag. So we got a sled with just 45 pounds on it because we wanna go fast. So I'm gonna take the sled, it's a short rope too, and we're gonna go zig, zag, whatever we can for 20 seconds, and then come back. Get some bird dogs, skips, side shuffle, quick feet, which is like, I'll show you that. It's going to be interesting. Up and back. A regular sled drag. So wherever we leave it out there with the zigzag, we're going to drag it back. And then in the next set of 4, we're going to zigzag it again. Some med ball stuff, some side-to-side obliques to get the obliques kicking. As you can see, the abs are shredding. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications on, all those things. Get yourself shredded. Day 3, the best. Tomorrow, we break the fast. We break bread tomorrow. Can't wait for that. And I actually can't wait to look for, I'm looking forward to doing some jumps now that my calf feels better. Getting some 30-inch box jumps on, which is as tall as the thing goes. So if I can get 30 inches, it's going to be fun. So we're going to try to do a lot of legs tomorrow. Anyway. That's what we got tomorrow. And it's fucking sunny out here. Look at that sun. It's blazing on me. Everyone says you need vitamin D. I got the D for you right here. A lot of D right here. Yeah, you can take that any way you want. It's up to you. All right, here we go. First thing we're going to do is just a sprint or a jog, 25 and back. Get up and back. 2, 1, sprint. Burn. Obviously, the faster you do that, the more time you have to rest, so that's good. Now we got med ball slams after that. We had a lot of time. I probably could have gone 35 yards, but that's okay. We'll start with 25. Let's get the med ball slams. Get up that med ball. Oh, it's gonna be tough with that hand, but that's okay. Slam it. Let's get closer to it. Yeah. See it? Yeah, you can. Okay, right here. Up and slam. Up. Slam. Up. Slam. Up. Up. Slam. Sled. Zigzagging. Get around the shoulder. Come on, zigzag. We're going this way. Come on. This way. Back. Bird dogs. Get down here, see we're out of time. It's okay. Bird dogs. Up leg, up arm, opposite leg, opposite arm, opposite arm. Oh, it's slippery out here too. Do it again. One more. Oh man, it's sandy right there. That's some sandy beach right there. High knee skips. High knees right here. So skip, high knee. Back. Okay, feet shuffle quick. So, check it. We're gonna go like, almost like we have a thing here, but go like this. So it's like, quick feet, shuffle, 10 seconds up, and about now. 10 seconds back. So we're going in, out, back and forth, arms move, and we bring it down, So it's quick feet right there. Sled drag, bring it back. Hurry up. Bring it back as far as you can, come on. All the way. All the way, come on, fast. Fast. Speed. Woo! That's a straight track. Side obliques. So right here, man, I'm out of breath. That's a lot of running. Arms up like this, core tight. We're just gonna go a little twist over a little bit. A little twist, twist, core tight, obliques, crush it. Now we go fast. All right, we're going back to the beginning. Sprint 25 and back. Remember, the faster you get back, the more break you have. So let's go fast. Burn. Turn and burn, turn and burn. Burn. Look at that, we had 7 seconds left. Now we got a med ball shoulder toss. So, then we got the zigzag again. Woo! It's gonna be brutal. So, let's get this out of the way. Shoulder toss right here. Up, up, over. Up, over. This is a 40-pounder, I think. Not as bad as that 80. But it's still pretty good. Okay. Zigzag, and then we got med ball core twist. So get that zigzag on again. Come on. There we go. Come on. Get it. Get it. Get it. Pass it. All right, go this way. Pass it. Come on back. Right here. Med ball core twist. Last thing. Right here. Let's get a little extra time on this. Oh yeah. It's tough with the hand, but we'll take it. Core twist. All the way around. All the way. Keep your head straight. Keep your body and chest straight. Twist it. Woo! That was a brutal workout in the field. Take the water, put ice in it, it's already melted. That's what happens in the heat. Take a little bit. Yeah, don't drink too much. You definitely don't want to cramp up here. So, just get a little drinky poo. Take like a minute break, get it together. You want to stretch out a little bit. Obviously you gotta go down and get that sled plate, bring it back, get ready for the second round and the third round. So that's what we got. Neil the grinding wheel on a Wednesday, hump day. Still looking pretty strong, I must say. Even with the sun blazing, the sweat dripping down, he's looking jacked. Anyway, before the neighbors see me, that's Neil the grinding wheel. Peace out.